Hello and welcome back to CCR Community. In today's episode, Chef Kevin Ford will be preparing a smoked chicken. Don't worry if you don't have a smoker at home, you can also bake this recipe in the oven for an hour at 350 degrees. Take it away, Chef.
Hi, welcome to CCR Community's second installment of Cooking at Home. I'm Chef Kevin Ford, and today we're going to be making applewood smoked Cajun rub chicken drums. We're going to pair that up with a nice Alabama white sauce. Recipes will be in the comments below. Please check them. For today's recipe, you're definitely going to need a smoker to get that flavor. And we're going to do a couple unconventional things. We're going to smoke at a little bit of a higher temperature. Today, we're really not trying to tenderize in the smoker. We're just going to cook the chicken till it's done. So we're going to smoke at 275 to get a nice crispy skin. Everybody likes crispy skin on their chicken. So should be a lot of fun. Hope you enjoy it. More to come. So everything's loaded in the smoker. You're going to see that nothing's touching each other. The smoke's going to cover it evenly. The chicken is below a sausage that I put in there because while I'm running the smoker, I'm going to smoke something else. And then you don't want anything that's above something else dripping on it that you don't want the flavor to be on. So if a little kielbasa grease gets on our chicken, that's just fine. You'll notice below, our drip pan is covered in foil. The reason that I've done that is obviously for cleanup, but if you're doing a bigger piece of meat like a pork butt or a brisket, you don't want to cover that. You want to fill that with water and fill the box up with humidity. But right now we want it to be more like an oven. That's back to that crispy skin chicken. And we're going to close this up and let it go for maybe an hour and a half, then pop it open and check it.
Below in the comments will be the recipe for this chicken. Please stay tuned to our Facebook, Instagram, website, and club emails for more information to come. We'll see you soon.